white paper on the civil aviation industry.
Well, I think the entire transport, be it roads, be it airways, or be it civil aviation, I think there are a lot of concerns, especially about safety. And I would thank Gadkari Saab because he has been somebody who has been openly asking MPs to focus on safety. So road safety has been a high priority of Gadkari Saab, and all of us have tried our best to work with him to make sure infrastructure improves as well as safety has to be a high priority. But unfortunately, our experience in railways as well as civil aviation has been extraordinarily challenging. The amount of accidents are very, very alarming. And I am going to be discussing when Parliament starts, or even before that, I'm going to go and meet Ashwini Vaishnavji and discuss with him, because the number of people using railways in Mumbai is a very, very large population, and it's the lifeline of Mumbai. So I think Government of India needs to put in a lot of efforts and improve safety in railways in Mumbai and Pan-India one. And civil aviation seems to be a big alarm. It's actually not just a red flag, it's been a red flag for a long time. So I request Government of India to come out with a white paper for the last 10 years in the civil aviation Mantralayah.
Prime Minister visited the crash site yesterday.
This morning.
This morning, and he also paid for the victims. How do you see it?
No, I think it's very, very painful. I appreciate yesterday Amit Shah ji went, today Honorable Prime Minister went, and I think the whole country, and not just country, internationally people have reached out. A lot of my friends living all over the world have texted us saying, listen, hey, I hope nobody lost any loved one. So it's been a very, very difficult 24 hours for all of India, I think. We are all deeply pained. There were little children, senior, and Vijay Rupani ji, who's been a most wonderful colleague to all of us. So it's really been a very difficult time for all Indians, I think.